She's not mad you left. She's mad you meant it. See, most women are used to breakups that come with fine print. I'll be back when you're calmer. Let's talk later. We just need space. They're used to doors that swing back open, to men who storm out, then text at 2 a.m., to tears that dry just in time for the next breadcrumb. But not you. You didn't just disappear. You disconnected. You didn't argue. You didn't explain. You left, quietly, completely, and with a calm that screamed louder than any fight could. And that's what burned her. Comment. No contact if you felt this shift. That moment when silence isn't weakness, it's war. She thought you were like the rest. She thought her absence would matter to a man like you. But what she didn't understand is, you didn't leave to get her attention. You left because you outgrew the version of you that needed hers. She expected a crack in your voice, a hesitation in your steps. Instead, you gave her nothing. No calls, no updates, no late-night curiosity. She played chicken with a man who doesn't bluff, and now every time her phone doesn't light up, she remembers. You're not the type to circle back. She wanted to see if you'd fold. But all she saw was a man who got up, walked out, and leveled up in silence. You didn't ghost her. You buried her access to you. You didn't block her out of spite. You blocked her to protect the man you were becoming. Because growth and chaos don't mix. Because closure isn't always a conversation. Sometimes it's just disappearance. And that's what women like her never expect. They think you'll orbit them forever. But you learned how to cut the cord. Not because you didn't care, but because you finally cared more about yourself. She wasn't prepared for that kind of silence. Not the kind that's healing, not the kind that's final. She tells her friends you're bitter. She pretends she let you go. But deep down, she knows she lost the one man who didn't beg to be chosen. And now, every day you stay quiet. She feels it, not in her phone, but in her chest. Because silence like yours isn't absence, it's presence. It lingers, it reminds. And the hardest part for her isn't that you're gone. It's that she finally knows you're never coming back. You were the closure. You were the consequence. You were the lesson. And she'll spend the rest of her life pretending it didn't break her.